So, I just got some cap guns from the dollar store. And I'll get to it already. This one was $1. It's Detective Special because it is see-through. You can see how it works. And pull. It's kind of hard to pull because I eat bread. See, it opens like that. See-through, so it's really cool. Again, it was $1 to buy. And orange tip, the top's not an actual gun. And my next, I only bought 2, but I did get some that aren't cap guns, but I'll show you that in another video. Okay, so this one is my favorite. It is my favorite gun in the world. It's a revolver. Real metal. Plastic handle. The hammer is this one. This is to make it open like that, so you can put the caps in. And this comes off like every single cap gun. And it's my favorite because it's just so cool.